my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix there are currently no power options available on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error there are no currently power options available on your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you simple method how to fix this issue. In this, just click on the search menu, then type here local, or you can type edit group policy. You can see here edit group policy, click on this. Just maximize the screen and maximize this side window. In this, under user configuration, you will find administrative templates. Double click and expand. After that, you will find start menu. You can see here start menu and taskbar. Just single click on that. Come to the right side. Here you need to find remove and prevent access to shutdown, restart. You can see here remove and prevent access to shutdown, restart, sleep and hibernate commands. You have to just double click on this, then select as not configured, then click on apply, then click OK. After that, just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix there are no currently power options available on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.